So here's an update. I have switched back to the most recent version um, of the firmware, and the temperature is same problem. So the temperature keep changing on its own. I was hoping that if I switch back to the original firmware, I mean the most recent firmware, and and I remove the auto bed leveling, the problem will be fixed. But no, still the same. So I just changed the temperature before I record this video. So I'm just waiting for it. I think it's gonna change again. I'm waiting for it now to see if it's gonna change again or not. So let's see. I'm gonna print something, and hopefully it could print. Okay, so it looks like it's getting ready. Let's see. It's really frustrating. Okay, so now we're almost close. Let me see. Did I print anything? Resume print. Well, let's see if it's gonna resume. See, the temperature changed to 50. Bed temperature used to be 40, and 240 was the nozzle now. So there's something wrong with the board. It's not the firmware. Well, wait, maybe the firmware. I don't know, but something's wrong with either the firmware or the board. But it has nothing to do with the auto bed leveling because I just switched back to manual leveling, and so it's nothing to do with the auto bed leveling. It's just either the firmware or the something wrong with the board. So let's do this. Okay, let's try to change. I'm gonna stop this print. I'm gonna go back and try to put the temperature back to where it's supposed to be. So nozzle temperature, we're gonna make this 240. Okay, that's where it's supposed to be. Bed temperature doesn't matter. We don't need the bed temperature, but let's keep it at 40. It's okay. Okay. Let's see. And once it gets there, I'm gonna print something. And I bet you once I start hitting the print option, once I print, once I start printing, the temperature is gonna drop or something is gonna change. So I don't know what the issue is. It's probably a firmware issue, most likely. I don't think it's a hardware issue. Well, it could be, but my connection is probably correct because I tested everything, like the temperature of the bed, the nozzle. I've tested everything. Everything works fine. So my connection, that means, is correct. My board connection most likely is correct. Most likely it's gonna be a problem with the firmware or the board itself. If other people are not having a problem, that means there's something wrong with the board. So if other people are using the same firmware, no problem, then the problem is definitely with the board. Something's wrong with the board. Version 2.1, so it's garbage. If anyone is planning to buy it, don't buy it. That's the most recent board they're selling. So I'm gonna also try to get in touch with Creality, see if they could help me, because this is really ridiculous. After I do all this hard work, and then so I'm gonna see if I could print now. See, the temperature changed back again. So okay, I will wait. So it's bed temperature, I think I set it at 40, now it jumped back to 50. I don't know what the hell is going on. Why it's programming itself, I don't know. Um, I will wait for it and see. Now it's 50. See? Now the temperature dropped. Fuck. Used to be 240, now it's 205. So it's got a mind of its own. It's like, god damn, man. Reality, you guys gotta fix these problems. You gotta fix these problems or people are not gonna buy your shit.